You wake up, hit snooze. Again, you swear today will be different, but before you know it, you're 3 hours deep into TikTok and your goals? Yeah, they're still waiting. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Without discipline, your dreams are just wishful thinking. But in the next 2 minutes, 30 seconds, I'm going to show you a powerful hack to instantly take control of your focus and productivity. And trust me, it's so simple. You won't believe you didn't try it sooner. Discipline isn't about motivation. It's about training your mind to do the hard things, even when you don't feel like it. Let's be real. How many times have you promised yourself you'd be more disciplined, only to end up binge-watching Netflix instead? Why does this happen? Because your brain is wired for comfort. The moment something feels hard, it tells you to escape. And if you don't control it, distractions will control you. At this point, your phone is basically your toxic ex. It keeps pulling you back, and you know it's ruining your life, but you just can't stop. Here's where things change. There's a simple mental trick that can break this cycle instantly. It's called the 5-second rule. And no, it's not about eating food off the floor. This rule was created by Mel Robbins, and it's backed by science. The moment you hesitate before doing something difficult, your brain kills the action. But if you count backward, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move, you override that hesitation. It sounds simple, but this is how Navy SEALs train their minds to act before their brain can talk them out of it. And it works in every area of life: waking up, studying, hitting the gym, even quitting a bad habit. Now you have a choice. You can ignore this and stay stuck, or you can try it right now. Next time you don't feel like doing something, whether it's getting out of bed or starting that assignment, count down from 5 and move. Don't wait for motivation. Train yourself to act, and motivation will follow. Because in the end, discipline is what separates the dreamers from the doers. So, are you going to sit there, or are you going to count down and change your life? If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We drop game-changing hacks every week to help you stay disciplined and dominate your goals. And if you're serious about leveling up, check out this next video right here. Remember, 5 seconds can change your life. The only question is, will you use them?